Malice is an emotion that's unique to human beings. It distinguishes us from all other animals. But what am I saying? I'm sure you're familiar. Rage, hatred, revenge, destruction. Malice has power. Because whenever you let those feelings of malice take over, that's when you're at your most human. After all, humanity's truest form is evil.
You're wrong. I'll admit, I have bad thoughts every once in a while, too. Sometimes they even give me more power to fight. Thing is, I have a heart that's really strong, so I can control those feelings and use them to do good things instead. That's what makes me human!
Is that so?
Stop! Don't do it!
There it is. That's human nature.